Bailey, and I'm a registered dietitian here at Phorm. Today, we're taking a little bit of a spin on breakfast and making breakfast enchiladas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see from us next. Let's get started. Okay, so the first step is to go ahead and just cook your sausage. I got mine nice and brown. Cook it on about medium-high heat to get that nice and done. And now we're gonna mix together our bacon bits and our cheese, and we're only doing half this time. So for accuracy and just for efficiency, I like to weigh everything out. So I'm going to weigh out 1.5 ounces of bacon bits, and then I'm gonna weigh out 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Now that we have everything weighed out, I'm gonna mix all of it together. So you're gonna wanna mix this up nice and good because this is what's gonna go into our tortillas. And I've made this once before and I can tell you, they're really good. Okay, now you're gonna take about 1/8 of the mixture or whatever looks best to you. You're gonna put it into your tortillas, roll them up, and place them seam side down in your baking dish. I've learned from doing this before that it's best if you put it all kind of to one side and then it rolls up a little bit easier, but you're still probably gonna have a little bit fall out on the sides, but that's okay. Okay, now that we have everything all wrapped up and ready to go, we're going to make the mixture that we're gonna pour on top of it. So you're gonna beat your eggs, your half and half, your flour, and your salt together, and then pour it all on top. Pour that in your bowl, pan, whatever you want to use to mix it. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of flour. And then you're going to crack 6 whole eggs. And try not to get any of the shell in it. Okay, you can use a whisk, a fork, whatever you have, but just make sure you get those yolks nice and broken up and the flour mixed well also so that none of it's clumpy when you pour it on top of the enchiladas. Now I'm just gonna add a few dashes of salt. You can go crazy, keep it minimal, whatever works for you. Now you're just gonna pour this all over the enchiladas. Make sure you get it nice and even so that all of them are coated. Now we're bringing back the bacon bits and the cheddar cheese and we're gonna add the rest of it. So the other half of your bacon bits and the other half of your cheese. So it's gonna be 1.5 ounces of bacon bits and then another cup of cheese. Now that everything is ready to go, you're gonna put in the oven for 35 minutes at 350. So I just pulled this out of the oven and not only does it look amazing, but it smells amazing too. The macros are gonna be down below for you guys. And now I have my breakfast ready and prepped for the week. So we will see you guys next time.